If multiverses exist, it is generally believed that they would contain a vast number of universes, each potentially with its own unique set of physical laws, constants, and initial conditions. Within these universes, it is conceivable that there could be variations in the formation of galaxies, stars, planets, and even life forms like us. In such a scenario, it is plausible to think that there could be multiple versions of ourselves across different universes. However, whether the number of versions is infinite or not is uncertain and largely speculative. The concept of infinity is often difficult to grasp, and it's unclear whether it applies to the number of universes or the variations within them. The idea of an infinite number of versions of ourselves raises interesting philosophical questions, such as the nature of personal identity and the relationship between different instances of consciousness. While it's an intriguing concept to consider, it's important to note that at present, the existence of multiverses is purely hypothetical and speculative, and scientific consensus has not yet been reached on their existence.